Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto spaghetti pasta. This easy method will have a delicious meal on your table in no time. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget half a cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. These simple components are the foundation of our amazing pesto. Now let's craft that vibrant pesto. Combine your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese in a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped and well combined. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in your half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue processing until your pesto reaches a smooth, desired consistency. This step is key to a rich and flavorful sauce. While your pesto is ready, it's time to cook the spaghetti. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add about 8 ounces of spaghetti to the boiling water and cook it according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Drain your cooked spaghetti, but please do not rinse it, as that removes the starch needed for the sauce to cling. Transfer the warm spaghetti to a large bowl with your freshly made pesto. Now, add a few tablespoons of that reserved pasta water to help loosen the sauce and create a beautiful emulsion. Toss everything together until the spaghetti is evenly coated and serve your delicious pesto pasta immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.